Facebook Marketplace offers multiple delivery options that you can change depending on your needs. Understanding how to modify these settings is essential for successful selling. As of 2025, Facebook Marketplace offers 4 primary delivery methods. Local pickup remains the most popular, used in about 65% of transactions. Seller Ships is growing rapidly at 25%, while local delivery and Facebook managed delivery serve specialized needs. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process for changing delivery methods on your active listings. For active listings, the process is straightforward. First, navigate to Facebook Marketplace and go to your account, then your listings. You'll see all your current active listings here. Next, find the listing you want to modify and click the 3 dots menu, then select Edit Post. This will open the listing editor where you can make changes. Scroll down to find the Delivery Methods section. This is where you can see your current delivery options and make changes. Select your new delivery method from the available options. Remember to update your pricing if shipping costs need to be factored in. Then save your changes. Here's what the delivery method change interface looks like when you're updating shipping options. When changing to shipping options, you'll see this interface. Facebook provides prepaid shipping labels, requires package details for accurate shipping costs, lets you choose your preferred carrier, and provides a simple update button to save your changes. Now let's discuss how to handle delivery method changes for pending sales, which requires a different approach. For pending sales, the timing of your change request matters significantly. Before payment is processed, you can easily change delivery methods through messenger negotiation with the buyer. However, after payment has been processed, changes become more complex. You'll need mutual agreement from the buyer and may require Facebook support intervention. If a method change isn't possible, refunds can be processed within 48 hours. Remember these key points. Active listings can be changed anytime through the edit function. Pending sales before payment are flexible through Messenger, and post-payment changes require careful coordination. Understanding these processes will help you manage your Facebook Marketplace transactions more effectively. Each delivery method on Facebook Marketplace has specific requirements that sellers must understand to ensure successful transactions. Local pickup is the most straightforward method. You must specify a pickup location, preferably a safe, public spot like a shopping center or police station. There are no additional fees for buyers, making it cost-effective. Many sellers set up multiple pickup locations to provide convenience for buyers across different areas. For shipping, items must be under 50 pounds and fit standard shipping dimensions. Sellers must provide accurate weight and dimensions, and shipping costs can be included in the price or added separately. Understanding standard shipping container dimensions helps sellers determine if their items qualify for shipping options. Insurance is automatically included for items over $100. Sellers can set their own shipping rates and see estimated payouts after Facebook's selling fees are deducted. Local delivery is available in select metropolitan areas, with fees ranging from $2.99 to $7.99 depending on distance. Professional delivery services handle same-day or next-day delivery options. Facebook is developing exciting new features to improve the marketplace experience. Artificial intelligence systems will suggest optimal delivery methods based on item type, location, and buyer preferences, making the selection process more efficient. Augmented reality features will allow buyers to verify item sizes before committing to shipping, reducing returns and disputes. International shipping pilots are underway in Canada and the UK, while small businesses increasingly use Marketplace as their primary sales channel, driving platform growth and innovation. These requirements and innovations ensure Facebook Marketplace continues evolving to meet the needs of both buyers and sellers in the digital commerce landscape.